promised Clarence that I give him a buddy. Hello and welcome to another edition of Chief Paints. What am I painting today? Hang on, I'll tell you in a minute. First of all, I'm going to show you my shed. Look, yeah, I've had a busy January. I've been cladding out my shed with all of this lovely wood, putting some paintings up, yeah, making it look a little bit more homely in the shedio. Nice. I've got my woof painting over there in that big white sort of envelope thing. There's a massive spider behind it at the moment, so I'm not going to move it. No, live and let live, that's what I say. So, yeah, a couple of different things that have got to go in a couple of different places, but we are almost finished with the shedio. Hang on. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. You don't want to say hello to YouTube. It's not bothered by people. No, we just want sleep and biscuits, basically. And they're not even biscuits. I mean, if he had biscuits, his brain would just be blowed. Yeah, I've got 420 subscribers to this here YouTube channel. Yeah, which is awesome. Well, coming up though to my first year YouTube anniversary, and so it'd be really nice, I mean, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it would be really nice if I could get to 500 subscribers. Yeah, if you're not a subscriber, well, get subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video. If you don't hit the don't like button. No, because that's really upsetting. Just like or just walk away, basically. Yeah, anyway, let's get on with today's video. I am painting a schnauzer, a miniature schnauzer, on a little miniature skateboard. It's not a miniature skateboard, it's a normal size skateboard, but it's a miniature schnauzer on a skateboard. Yeah, like I say, wanted a buddy for Clarence. I'm not entirely sure how Clarence is going to feel about having a buddy who's a dog. I think Clarence would probably prefer to have cat friends, but who knows? I've got more skateboards. I may, depending on how Clarence reacts to this, I might paint another cat at some point. But yeah, so we're probably going to kind of go down that psychedelic type route again. Make him all sorts of different kind of crazy colours. But first of all, the very first thing we've got to do is sand down our skateboard. So let's do that now. So, Clarence, the question is, did I get it right? Did I make you a buddy that you want to be buddies with? What's that? Yeah. Well, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know he's a dog. Yeah. Yeah, but... Well, can you at least give it a try? Can you meet him? You promise? Okay. Okay. This is Gilbert!